Hi everyone. In this lecture, I will teach you how to set up a platform to work in Python. The platform which I mentioned before is Google Colab. Colab is an online platform readily made for individuals who are looking work in Python. These are some of which you can perform using Colab. Now let's get into a detailed step-by-step explanation how to set up Colab. Now the only thing you require is a Gmail ID. Just enter your credentials. After logging into your Gmail, just open Google Apps. In Google Apps, just go to Google Drive. Now, to set up Colab, just go to this new button, go for more options, and here click Connect More Apps. In this search, just type Colab. It will be available for you. Just click on it and install Google Colab. Just follow my steps. Now Google Colab is setting up. Okay. Now Google Colab is installed in our drive. Now again, go to the new button, click on more options, and you can now see Google Colab here. This will be our Google Colab platform where we can run Python codes. First, let us change the name. Now, it's our coding area, our coding cell. Now, let's connect Google Colab to the cloud server. Here you can see the connect button. Just click connect. Let me zoom in a bit so you can connecting to the it's connect. You can see the amount of RAM space and the disk space allocated to us. You can see 12 GB of RAM and 107 GB of the disk space is allocated for us. Now let us type our beginners program. Now let me run this program. To run the program, just click on the play button. See, the program has been executed. So Google Colab is a very easy to use platform. You can just use it right away. You just only need a Gmail ID. After giving in the credentials in the drive, installing the Google Colab, you can easily start working with Python. So I think everything is clear for you. I want everyone to practice this and run Colab on their drives.